Knocked off his stick. And Samoskevich gives to Tkachuk. On the wing, it's Sam Reinhart. Back for Tkachuk. In front, Barkov for the tap-in!
Another power play goal by the Florida Panthers. And oh, this is gonna hurt Carolina. Matthew Tkachuk gets another primary assist with a man advantage as Barkov finishes it off. Oh, this is pretty to watch. Reinhart sweeps it back to Tkachuk, freezes the defense and just slides it over. Not much room to get it through there to Barkov. And
2 points each, Tkachuk and Barkov today. And they are blowing them out in the third period like they did yesterday. Wow. Two goals, a little more than 3 minutes apart in the third. Here comes Greer. Boqvist with a chance on the backhand score! Adam Boqvist, his first goal as a Panther, and it's 5-0.
Mambo number 5 for the Florida Panther fans. Right after the Panthers have scored that power play goal, here they come again on the rush. There's Boqvist, 34. Keep an eye on him. Starts the play, gives it up to Greer, and then the return pass and a backhander on the short side. Oh, there's not much room there for Boqvist, as somehow, oh, that puck came up on end. Man, a backhand looked like a can of corn.